Well, it sort of looks like Frankenstein's monster. But pressure's good. This is for both. Sorry you guys can't see it very well. Or go to 1. Has that calm setting. And then it has I want to beat you to death setting. Seems to have a really good flow. Removes the protector that came with it. So it's really nice. It has very detailed instructions on how to remove it. The filter thing that doesn't give it a lot of pressure because it's trying to save water. And it comes with a little tool. I'm not sure where it went, but I got this and the extension arm. Oh, there it is. Just a little, almost like a crochet hook, and helps you get the stuff out of it. But instructions shows you down here at the bottom, bottom left, how to take it out. Make sure you put the sand screen back in though. And then the instructions for the extension head. It all came with, it even came with the Teflon tape. I didn't have to use this one because I used the one for the head, and then I dropped this because I'm great. But pretty impressed so far. I'm gonna go take my first shower and see how it goes.